Unified Communications by Access4. The technology of today is improving our processes, but it's unfolding new challenges for businesses of every size. How to make their communications seamless and integrate all their tools, make their operations streamlined and lower costs at the same time. Access4, with its core solution Unified Communications and Collaboration platform from Broadsoft, is delivering exactly that to Australian cloud community. Forget everything that you know about telephony by now and step into the world of advanced communications across platforms. What would be the benefits for different business roles? IT. Mark is the IT manager. His company moved from traditional PBX to full unified communication services. Changes for him and his organization are remarkable. Fully automated provisioning for services and handsets removed operational overhead from IT staff to keep the phones running. Office 365 AD integration eliminates the need to manage users in multiple places. Fully redundant cloud infrastructure with SLAs ensures the reliability of phones over a standalone on-premise solution. Open standards-based solutions and API integration allow for further automation. Full functionality and collaboration reduces the number of systems required to be managed. HR. Christina is Human Resource Manager, and her company is using Unified Communication Services for a year now. Benefits for the department are simplified user experience with messaging, voice, video, file and content sharing in one application reduces the training requirements for users. The cloud-based solution provides telephony anywhere an internet connection is available, allowing freedom for her and her colleagues to work from anywhere. Finance. Daniel is Finance Director, and his goals are obvious. Reduction in costs through the removal of dedicated telephony service line rental. Reducing risk through zero-term contracts, allowing the business to scale up and down as needed. Higher value for more reliable systems with the redundancy built into the solution, not an additional cost. Lower cost of phone calls and bundled call packs reduced bill shock. Call Center Manager. Stephanie is the call center manager. Transition to Unified Communications was the crucial upgrade to be able to monitor, manage and maximize performance indicators. Unified Communications upgraded the level of involvement and accessibility of all people who could improve the customer experience in a more organized way. Call center, contact center, and voice solution provided by one organization removes the integration points and finger pointing. Removes the need to build specific infrastructure and limitation around the number of lines running into the building. Unified Communications allows agents to be anywhere an internet connection is available. Highly available support in the cloud for greater reliability. Executive. Stephen is the Executive Director in a big media agency. He's focused on integrating new projects through agency teams and structuring processes between departments. Agencies' processes are complex and have to be streamlined to benefit clients' demand and vibrant market. Using Unified Communications allowed Stephen to improve functionality at the lower cost to drive business returns. Give the ability to provide flexible working contributing to employee value proposition. Excellent client experience and responsiveness that's what the agency had with big telcos. Zero-term contracts provide the ultimate assurance of service quality. Join the growing family of businesses who are upgrading their traditional telephony to Access4 Unified Communications and get access to collaborative tools of the cloud.